During a diff 3 round this time, starting like 5 minutes late. It's like some people, let's see the update leaderboard. Maybe some people already got C. That's okay. Maybe we'll catch up. So, yeah, she just generate all of them. I don't know. Maybe it's just it's nice. So nice. This hopefully all the syntax and stuff is correct. Oh, I'm not registered for the contest. Then like, oh, what did I do in this case? Register. Yeah. Oops. John wants to use a code problem. It's okay. It's possible for all. Do some like sorting. Use a text. Sorting it. Usually sort and check. Accepted. Okay. By 2000. You're like here. Name one. How's it distinct, right? Yeah. And it's mod and yeah. We also put zero in the array. P is just an inverse J. When I can also assume it. Uh, yeah, so that's good enough. Is there actually that much code? How did people do it in like 2 minutes? Look at it if you can. Always wants to minimize the score. And Bob, can Alice even do anything? This Bob will always just pair it, so it's literally just a number of pairs that sum to k, right? Two. I think so. I'm just going to try. Okay, that's accepted. This t and k x, the range. Oh, and even. We're just using that. But if it already exists, it, uh, you can say, you can say to answer. Otherwise, we add a. This is easier to implement. The last one for sure, unless I got something wrong. Okay, that's good. Sequence A. If you do this, it becomes decreasing. So what I should do it in? Do it on this, and then in your case, if you do it, you cannot subtract this far enough. You do this, one of these becomes zero. And it's the first one. The first one becomes zero. The first one becomes zero. Then what happens? Everything before better be zeros. Or no, that's not true. If they're two of the same value, then you're fine. Then there's no point of doing this on the last one. I think of a case where if you do this on the beginning at first, then it actually makes you fail. Let's open up. Would that be possible? So let's say beginning is already like sorted. This is not sorted. Let's find the first issue. So the first issue is here. So what do we need to do? We can't subtract this one, otherwise this time it works to do this first and then this. But what if it's like you're screwed either way. So what case would you uh, wasn't get something to 0? This is not 0 yet, but then get to 0. So you might as well get it to 0 before. This is differentiated. I don't think I need to think that hard. Just subtract this. So you're able to make everything 0. It's if it's already not increasing, why should you make everything 0? By induction, is we have two of the same numbers here, or just two case. It's already increased, not increasing for 3 case. There's nothing to do. For 4 case. Purpose. So you're able to do this and then go back and make everything 0. I mean, if they're all even like this, so you could have just went step by step in order. Yeah, I think I was thinking too hard. I have like I have some beliefs that really works. Although it would be quite sad that I should just say two of sort of vibrations. Okay, magical parts. You cut off these. Oh, basically you cut off all unrelated criticism. You, yeah, it's criticism. Best case is same phase making silent. You just determine the number and bonus. I think this data structure, this Jason seal is pretty good enough. To something for two, two, everything is the first thing again. Yeah, you find the identity, the this two. Obviously, if it's two given that it's on, um, yeah, given it's on the second graph. So if it's too high, between like basically, yeah, basically the identity. Okay. You should also keep track of the count of component two. So here we just do these zero, and we set it to everything as zero. Solid. Remove the just first. Okay, so maybe this is not the best way to be storing this at first. Oh, we don't add it, or we need to like add increment two to answer. Sure. I mess up. I think I messed up. We use this hotkey. It's actually useful. What else? Add it to the adjacency list. Just calculate C1 as the number of components we need to additionally add on. And we just copy and paste code. H. Most of this code exact same. Even though we don't need to know the exact parents of these components. Yeah, there's a lot of repeated code here, so the samples seem like they're strong enough. So hopefully I changed all the ones with the twos. I realize I've not run a single piece of code by myself in this entire context yet. What's going on? Oh, wait. That is. Let's go through again. Compilation errors give me a penalty. Yeah, I mean, I'll check out later in this thing. Okay, guess I have to actually run code then. Thankfully, I submitted the code. Okay. ID one's being stupid. 10202. 30202. Did forget to increment the answer somewhere. C1 will have more connected components. So, in fact, we should be just subtract the other way. I think it was for like Google CodeJam or Google Kickstart where it would penalize you if you submitted code that didn't compile. Here it is. Okay. Thing. It's 2x. What is this constraint on n? Times 10 to the 8. Oh, just be below the modulo. That kind of makes sense. Okay. Alright, so let's see it. Let's make sure you don't have additional penalties. We're probably like very far behind. How long has it been? 30 minutes. Yeah, we're like down here. Okay, no penalties, nice. Or like no wrong answer penalties. So, let's see. Most of these will just be ones, for sure. You calculate it all the way up to n though. Like get the what's the that's not good. It's the yeah, I just get the prime factorization. I need to make sure you assign the prime somewhere. Let's assign the primes individually. I think the array will be unique, yeah. So it's just a simple n choose k problem. Yeah. Okay. Five t k n. Wait, n is like very big. That'll be fun. I just need to find the multiplicative. You can do n. Okay, you can do n choose k with small k because yeah, it works. It still has good flow. Figure out the code later. Let's write the main logic. Yeah. What do we need to do? Maybe the 4 seconds, yeah, that makes sense. I think C plus is good enough. We just find factorizing. So yeah, we definitely can. We use math function. Just find factors. What the fuck was that for? I didn't click on anything. I don't need to start a new one. That's okay. There wasn't that much code. We can maybe write everything from scratch. Just silly. They also basically rendered all the code. Code is just 1 minute to reconstruct. So now what do we do? Oh yeah, sorry. Yes. That's for appearance. So today's very good. Switching to 0. Five, 6. Versus 3. That was 20. We do this last contest as well. Comment on this. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Cool. Uh, Matrix. Obviously, I don't remember commenting on this. That's interesting. That was interesting. Just copy some. Selecting is so weird. And then now do this. And this code. So let's just consider the sets A and B for now. So for the sets, so um, they swap the i's. They also swap the j's. What is there? That's enough. Need some other invariants. What? Any time limit exceeded on. What's even here? Wait, I just. A then N, right? Yeah. What is there to the limit exceeded on? You're quite confused. Oh, okay. Oops. He does a book from writing, but that's 5 extra minutes on this problem. Stupid. He's in Q, whatever. Let's just figure this out. What's the answer here? Outputting more numbers. Oh, wait. Expecting different things. Or we could also have, doesn't have to be exactly N. Oops. Well, this hockey stick, right? You add up, what is it exactly? Yeah, Pascal's triangle. We add up something choose K. Everything has the same K. It starts from KK all the way to NK. If you add everything up, it'll be equal to this, which is plus 1 K plus 1. Then, yeah, that limit is still 5 because it's 10 to the 5. Like, there's not some easy invariant here. Is there? Hmm. We assume I listen J. Okay, what's going on here? See, one's doing now. So this is not current. Wait, it's not correct because I have to multiply each based on like issue. So maybe this just entirely doesn't work. That was stupid. There's some math formula here. I'm trying to find some overall and choose I1, choose I2, and choose I3, and so on. We'll keep adding this. I just think about G for now. I'm not sure what there is to think about though. Well, the inversion makes it so that since there are inversions for pairs, one of the variants is like inversions for pairs and the inverse changes. Although that might just be even to begin with. Is it? Let's count. Okay. This is stupid, so it's odd. Odd, still odd, and still odd. Oh, so it's odd here. And then here it has to be even, so this is odd, still odd. Okay, still odd here. Wait, what? These inversions work. It's a test case. Oh, that's because at the end it's not zero. Okay, and that's like pointless. As a pointless variant. Okay, wait. So let's go back to we can calculate for n for small n. So then once n is greater than like 20, then you can. It's always this one. Oh, yeah, it's always a polynomial, right? Polynomial with like 17 terms. And some of that integrated whatever it's called. But it's so messy though. I forgot how to write this code. I ever written before that after to use. I really don't know if I do. Oh wait, I probably know how to do it. It's kind of stupid. I didn't do it using a stupid method. Okay. So I still continue with this code. What we do is actually n0 to prevent 2. Okay. Just make sure it works out. So it's almost 216. So almost 16 turns here. Okay, yeah, definitely 20 definitely just works. So the products of other reason, you know, and minus J. So see this. And I might need a few tries to get this right, so I'm just gonna run it. Okay, please don't delete the code. Yeah, something was wrong. What on? I have to divide as well. I think. Divided by I minus J. The thing is, if we plugged I into this, then everything would just be AFI, which works. Okay. Exactly zero. Let's try to calculate everything. We did do exactly zero unless these are zero. These cannot be zero though. There would there be overflow? It should be I. Even if it's 10, oh, I'm stupid. This is an answer. Just make sure these are correct. Now it's getting the wrong case on n equals to 1. To 0. Oh, okay. Wait. It's k and then n, right? Okay. So whatever. 2, and then the answer is 1. After let's get 2. It's oh, I guess it's trying to get 1. Yeah, that makes sense. Here it works. Why doesn't it work here? Because I need to go to 2. It's 0. Should actually be right. This is k equals to 2, and then even element, right? So you should not count the 0 case. I don't get distracted from this. How do you do it in linear time um, for consecutive? To do that right now. 664. Why does that look wrong? Something more problematic is happening, right? Which equals to 4. You have 3. Right, you can have multiple primes in one single. Okay, so that's not too big of a deal, but what's the formula now? A nice one. You have k things plus k minus 1 choose k. Here's the next one. Choose k, yeah. Right. That makes more sense. Yeah, okay, that looks better now. That's a property about the final function. Okay, sum of inversions of both arrays. 1 second, 4 seconds, it's fine. Sum of inversions of both arrays. So how does that change? So much. This is very good. You swap arbitrarily. I don't know. It's cancelled out. So basically, it's whatever is in here. It's in here also gets double. I think this is sorry. Argument is just basically if you add two random elements, in every element will be affected twice. That's not true. What am I saying? So what happens to other games in reverse? I think here, these two, yeah, just everything here, one, game two inverse. Yeah, I got it. You suddenly move two elements. Probably not delayed. Even sort A. What do you do? Like greedily. Number one is wait a second. Usually, would they literally come in columns stay the same, don't they? Right. I'm so stupid. So it's yes because wait, this was yes. Wait, the columns don't stay the same. Or is it because you can oh you can like swap. Okay, so at the very least, the columns will stay the same. You can flip. Is the columns one, you can move it here to the front. And then go on to the next column. So what's impossible? As long as you might want to flip these guys. I want to flip them, but that what happens? Flip an even number at the same time. That was the last one you can't control whether it's flipped or not. But also when you do a flip, you have to do an inversion. Where does that come in? Maybe you can't actually just do this greedily and like don't have to worry about all these variants. Because here, even if they're an odd number of it's okay for the is it it's odd, it doesn't matter. Yes, and you can flip everything else. It doesn't matter that an odd number works. So could you actually save this 6 5? Oh no, because the inversion thing. So this is not savable because you do the switch, then it's like this. Some of them you might have freedom in switching. Is that true? Is there always a guaranteed order that you should fill in? One should definitely always go first. If two is there, well, everything else, yeah. Well, but it's not two, and two should definitely go next. There definitely is a fixed trigger. So order is fixed. For any two of them, you can compare the minimums and you can, or you compare two maximums and you know which one should go. But the number of turns, uh, the number of these flips mod 4 is already determined. Where's your flip? It's five flipping. Calm your mind flipping. What can you do with it? It's in the front. You can do this. You can do this, and then you can do this. So you see, you become ABC, ABC there, ABC. It's flipped. It's flipped. What happens to this then? Does that mean you basically did one single flip without anything else happening? Two, three, Well, you basically did nothing. Wait, no, that's not true. Because now, 2, 1, 3, 4. Go back to this. I mean, you basically did 2 flips without changing any wires. Wait, what makes you big? So it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 swaps. Go back to the same place. Except somehow the area is just like the number of flips you do has to be even over time. The flips you do is over time. So you can do even amount of those. The sequence of moves flips 2 things. How do you do an inversion without flipping? I mean, well, you can just swap and do the sequence. Then you have inversion without flipping. And the condition is has to be so the fact that all first manually check number first uh is even so it's just so hard to require a while to figure out. Even though I felt like they were playing observations. Yeah, just making some relevant observations. But it's not just swapping trying to get the question starts, but there's really make sure every one of them works. So it's a condition. Yeah, it's also listed. There are full chunks. So it's not just one I can swap. There are full chunks I can swap, but they're even. How does that work? Are we screwed because we can't flip? Like this is the example. Yeah, I see. So I'll play that out. Let's make this and I don't know how I just did that. It's like this, and we swap these two. So what's the issue? Okay, if there's a 5 chunk, we don't care. No, we can. It's an even chunk. We can swap all of that. Wait, no, it's not it either. It's not screwed. It's actually coming to play. It's not spinning right now. Pretty screwed here. This is bad. Seems bad. You move to exactly one. Okay. So if it's in. Who says you can't just flip the no, you can't flip the whole thing. I guess within each chunk, either swap like x or you swap like y minus x. You flip x or you flip y minus x. He flips. Well, no. This is one kind of chunk. Here I did flip one, he flipped three. Either of them don't work. So that's why you're screwed. Because here you can flip one, we can flip two. You flip two and you're fine. Yeah, so if you have any odd chunk, then you can always resolve. So if I stack this up indefinitely, like 0, 4, then what happens is we cannot flip only one of these. So when we have an odd chunk, I mean, it could be even and have an odd chunk. Like if we separate to 3, 1, then we will be safe. Yeah. It's better be it's better be even or divide me somehow. It's true. Okay. One, that's 0. There's gonna be some bug with this. I don't really care. I don't want to think too much. Okay. Not 2, 0. It's something like this. Forgot this is 2 in a max art contest. I might go back to sleep after this. Test 1. What's wrong? Things just out. Oh well, after like Sure. Deal with indices. P5 if yeah, I see. Something codeforces only like most of the problems are multi-test. Oh, I'm gonna test three, okay. Okay, it probably works. Hopefully. I'm too lazy to think of edge cases, so if I get hacked on that, but no, whatever. I don't think. Really don't think I care enough. Uh, People probably could have solved it much faster. It's like